be opening up a 2024 Panini Prizm Mega Box. Jalen Hurts on the cover. Obviously, we're looking for the Jaden Daniels and Bo Nix, Drake May, and maybe some Michael Penix Jr.'s. There's 6 packs per box, 7 cards in each pack. Let's hope we can make our money back with this box. Pause the screen to read this. I'm not reading this, so maybe, like, here's the back. All right, let's crack it open. Okay, here are all the packs. 6 packs, good. The ones are at the back, okay. Khalil Shakir, Marvin Mims, Tua Tagovailoa, Lenny Moore, Murray Lewis. Already opened up the pack, obviously. We got some good hits, I guess. Lad McConkey rookie card and the coach of the Bills. Who wants the code, even though it's already expired and the Super Bowl already happened? Second pack. I can't read. Trey Hendrickson. Don Bebe. Cool. Dave Krieg. Okay, not a rookie. No hits yet. Bro, it's the same coach. We already got him, but it's fine. Okay. Who is this? Oh, Joel. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. Didn't we already show him? Okay, we got a good one. We got a hit. It's a rookie card. I mean, it's a shirt, so that's not bad, I guess. And it's a game-used card. Okay, cool. Okay, this is the 3rd pack. We haven't been doing so bad so far. Ezekiel Elliott. Okay, that's good. Okay, keep going. Keith Byers. Okay. Tony Bozelli. Mike Evans. Okay, not bad. I mean, he's kind of older, though. Okay. Okay, nothing really out of there. And then a Jeremiah Trotter. Okay. We have 3 packs left. Hopefully we can get a Jaden Daniels or a Bo Nix. You good, bro? Okay. I see the Josh Jacobs at the back. That looks like it's gonna be good. Okay. Okay, next. We're not looking for him. We want a Jaden Daniels. No. Jeffrey Simmons. No. AJ Barner. Okay, he's a rookie. I mean. Okay. So it looks like. Oh, Josh Jacobs. Fireworks. That's gotta be a good one. Okay, this is the 5th pack. Is it good one? Okay, I see some goodness. I see some goodness in the back. Okay. Who we getting? Who we getting? No. Drew Brees? Drew Brees? Okay, I mean, not bad. Wait. Something here. Nah, no Jaden Daniels. Alright, final pack. We got some good ones over here, but we still need a Jaden Daniels or a Bo Nix. Even a Drake May would do. Okay. No, Nick Bosa. DeAndre Hopkins? Wait. No, it's no Jaden Daniels. Well, the haul wasn't that bad. No Jaden Daniels, though. Got the coach.
No.
So the cards, they could have been Wade.
Honestly, guys, we might have got